special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in North Carolina, Moore and Richmond. Heat advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Extreme heat warning in effect from 11 a.m. Saturday to 8 p.m. Sunday. What? For the heat advisory, heat index values up to 105. For the extreme heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 111 expected. Where? A portion of central North Carolina. When? For the heat advisory, until 8 p.m. this evening. For the extreme heat warning, from 11 a.m. Saturday to 8 p.m. Sunday. Impacts: heat-related illnesses increase significantly during extreme heat and high humidity events. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check on relatives and neighbors. Do not leave young children and pets in unattended vehicles. Car interiors will reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Here is a special message